In this video, you are going to learn about what is PPNV, and I will also show you the basic commands and usage, so you can efficiently manage and run your Python projects. So what is PPNV and why should you use it? PPNV really helps you making sure that your Python project runs without dependency conflicts and facilitates deploys on other machines, whether they are local or remote. For example, a hosting service. This is because it creates a virtual environment with the selected packages and the right versions that you are developing in. To follow this guide, you only have to have Python installed and add it to your path environment variable. This could be done on Python install and also afterwards. In this example, I will show how to run the PPNV environment in Visual Studio Code, so it's a good idea to have it installed before the practical example that I'm about to show you. Now I'm going to show you how to use PPNV with a practical example based in these basic and necessary commands listed here that you need to use to get started. So you can install PPNV opening a command line anywhere on your machine. So you have to type pip install PPNV and PPNV should install. It will not in my machine because I already have it installed, but it will work on your machine. This command prompt can be opened anywhere in the machine. It will work because PPNV will be installed globally. So the next thing we will do is to head over to our main project folder and open it and basically run cmd in the file explorer. It will pop a command line inside your project, and then after you install PPNV, you want to install the dependency manager in the project folder. So let's just type the command pipenv install and just wait a little bit. So basically what it did, it created two files, one called pipfile and another called pipfile.lock. So the main thing we are going to focus here is on the pip file, the main packages installed on this project. So until now we don't have anything because we just don't have any dependency installed. And to install one, we are going to take an example on requests module in Python. So we are going to go back to our command line, and instead of using pip installer to install packages, we are going now to use ppnv inside the folder. So you will run ppnv install requests. Give it a little second. So now we can make requests to servers online in our project. And if we check this file again, we will have the requests package here installed. So basically, if you want to move this project to another machine, you can take these two files and just install the dependencies that are specified in the file. You don't need to install it individually on another computer. So this basically avoids a lot of compatibility issues and deployment issues. So now I'm going to show you a simple project that I've done previously, and it already has the pip file in here. So we are going to see how this pip file looks like. So we have the requests package as in the example, and also the numpy package. Without these packages, the project won't work, right? And we need the pip file here. So I can just move the folder wherever I want. As long as I have the pip file with the dependencies here, I will not have to install it manually when I run the project, because ppnv will ensure that all the packages are installed before running the project. So we are going to open the main file. So the main file is not that important, but I'm going to show you just so you can see that it is a program with some dependencies like numpy and requests, as you can see. Now in Visual Studio Code, we can configure the virtual environments by going to the manage and just select the first option, the Python select interpreter. Then you are presented with some virtual environments. I already have some environments in my machine, but basically what I want to show you is that if we choose just the Python 3.8 and run the program, it will not run because the requests package is missing. So if we just change the environment now, instead of going to the command palette, you can just switch it here and select the right environment and just click run in VS Code. And then you have some prints of the program. This is not a finished project, this is just a demonstration for you to see how we can manage the dependencies. You can also configure PPNV environments in Pycharm if you want to use Pycharm. And basically, I will leave a link in the description below. There is an official guide from Pycharm, and you can follow that pretty easily. The guide is very easy to follow. It shows you how to install PPNV also, and how to set PPNV for a new Python project, or even configure PPNV for an existing Python project. And if you follow this guide, you can easily configure PPNV in Pycharm that I also use. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section below, and thanks for watching.